drifting past the viewport glass, a steel behemoth watching the shadows pass. Warm amber lights on a pure white gown, but a soldier knows how the peace goes down. The quiet is a lie, a fading breath before the blast, when a crimson scream tears through the dark, staining the ship in red. I tie back my loose hair and wipe the smile from my face, breathing hard as I sprint across the trembling corridors, kicking up the cold metal floor, racing toward the ward, the blood red cross etched upon my white uniform. The light of healing awakens, sharp and cold, hiding a rock deep inside the iron shell. Stubborn old wolf marching straight back to hell. Your cobalt fortress is just bleeding flesh and bone. Survival is the only victory this desert has ever known. Sparks and oil leaking from a giant CMC. Move aside, Lieutenant, my boys are calling me. Cold gray eyes drowning in a killer's glare, blocked by your stance, unyielding and bare. Magnetic fields clamp the armor to the bed, an emerald nano shot injected where he bled. The raging breath slows the fury turns to grace. If you wanna save your squad, you leave alive this place. Hiding the rock deep inside the iron shell. Stubborn old wolf marching straight back to hell. Your cobalt fortress is just bleeding flesh and bone. Survival is the only victory this desert has ever known. Before the ward can breathe, the captain's orders roar. The outpost is falling, we are heading back to war. Heavy combat plates follow up the grace. Lock down the visor, look the devil in the face. Medic Elena, ready for the drop into the freezing void where the fires never stop. We're going down to the crimson floor. We're walking out alive through the hellfire door. Crop up here is question enormous seal. The silent seal is warm.